2019 Cadillac XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious, high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.